Welcome to Canadian Crossroads, the podcast where we explore mindset, motivation, and mastering the inner game of life. Today, we're talking about first impressions, specifically what people notice in the first 7 seconds of meeting you, and why it matters more than most people realize. Let's dive in. Segment 1, the psychology of first impressions. You walk into a room, you haven't even said a word yet, and still, people have already formed an opinion about you. It happens fast. Really fast. According to psychology, the average person forms a first impression in just 1/10 of a second. But within 7 seconds, they've decided things like, can I trust this person? Are they confident? Are they worth my time? Now here's the kicker. Most of us never even stop to think about what we're actually projecting in those crucial first seconds. And whether we realize it or not, we're either pulling people in or pushing them away. So today, I want to break down exactly what people notice in those early moments and how to make them work for you instead of against you. Segment 2, what people instantly notice about you. Let's go through the 5 key things people subconsciously evaluate in those first 7 seconds. Number 1, your posture and body language. Before a single word leaves your mouth, your body is already communicating. Are your shoulders back or slouched? Are you standing tall or shrinking into yourself? Do you own your space or apologize for taking any? Confident posture sends a message of self-respect, and people mirror what they sense from you. So straighten your spine, lift your chest, and plant your feet firmly. Don't just appear confident, become it through how you hold yourself. Number 2, your facial expression. Your face tells a story before you even begin to speak. Are you tense or relaxed? Do your eyes show curiosity or distraction? Are you smiling genuinely? A slight, calm smile can go a long way. Not forced, just present. It says, I'm at peace with myself and open to you. The facial signals you give shape how safe or intimidating you feel to others. And safe doesn't mean weak. It means grounded. Number 3, your eyes. They say the eyes are the window to the soul, and people look there first. Do you avoid eye contact, or do you meet it with calm, steady energy? Steady eye contact, without staring, is one of the fastest ways to earn respect. It shows that you're here, that you're present, and that you're not afraid to be seen. Number 4, your tone of voice. Even if you say hello, your tone says so much more. People instantly pick up on nervousness, hesitation, need for approval, all just from the way you say a few words. Speak a little slower, drop your voice into a slightly lower, calmer register. It sends a subconscious signal that you're in control and that you're not in a rush to prove anything. Number 5, your energy, aka your vibe. People don't just see you, they feel you. Even if you're dressed well and saying all the right things, if your energy is off, people feel it. Are you radiating calm confidence or desperate validation? Are you grounded or scattered? People can't always explain it, but they know when someone feels powerful and when someone feels like they're performing. So here's a simple shift. Before you enter a room or conversation, pause, breathe, center yourself. Remind yourself, I don't need to impress, I just need to be. Segment 3. Why this matters more than you think. So why does all of this matter? Because in a world of endless noise, the people who stand out are the ones who own their presence. Respect isn't just about what you do. It's about how you show up. Think about the people you naturally respect. Chances are they aren't trying to convince you. They don't overtalk. They don't boast. They simply exist in a way that demands attention. And here's the truth. You can be that person. It doesn't take charisma or good looks or fancy clothes. It just takes alignment between who you are and how you present yourself to the world. Segment 4. Practical tips to implement today. Here are 5 quick actions you can start practicing right now to instantly shift how people see you. Practice grounding body language in the mirror. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, head up. Record your voice and listen. Slow it down. Make it intentional. Hold eye contact for just 1 second longer than usual. Smile slightly when greeting people. It changes your whole vibe. Breathe deeply before entering a room. Let your energy lead the way. In a world that rushes to judge, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to be present. The first 7 seconds are powerful. They set the tone. They open or close doors. But they don't have to be fake or forced. They just have to be intentional. So ask yourself, who do I want people to meet in those first 7 seconds? Make that your practice, and I promise respect will follow. Thanks for tuning in to Canadian Crossroads. If this episode resonated with you, share it with someone who's working on their presence. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly insights that help you master your mindset and live with purpose. Until next time, stand tall, speak calm, and let your energy do the talking.